Gather your electronics. Unplug the base from the surge protector or wall outlet. Disconnect the clasp and unplug the control connector from the transformer. Disconnect the clasp and unplug the remote from the control connector. Disconnect the clasp and unplug the head actuator from the control connector port labeled with the green head sticker. Disconnect the clasp and unplug the foot actuator from the control connector port labeled with the blue foot sticker. Your R2 M2 electronics are now fully disconnected.